You don't need a computer science degree, advanced math skills, or years of tech experience to learn programming. In under 3 minutes, you are going to write and execute your very first line of real Python code. No complex jargon, no confusion, just simple, step-by-step logic. Open your browser and let's write code together. Installing heavy software on day one can feel overwhelming and frustrating. So today we are going to use a completely free online editor that runs right inside your browser. Go to python.org/shell or replit.com. This gives you an instant interactive playground. On the left side, you type your instructions. On the right side, called the console, Python displays the result of what your computer understood. In Python, if you want your computer to speak or display text on the screen, you use the print command. Think of print as telling Python, hey, take whatever is inside these parentheses and show it on the screen. Type the word print, open a parenthesis, add quotation marks and type, hello world. Quotation marks tell Python that this is raw text, what developers call a string, and not a hidden system command. Now, hit the run button or press enter. Right on the console, you will see the exact words appear. Hello world. Congratulations, you just officially wrote your first computer program. If you see a red error message pop up, don't panic. Errors are a normal part of coding. The two most common beginner mistakes are: 1. Forgetting to close the quotation marks at the end of your text. 2. Capitalizing the letter P in print. Python is case sensitive, so always use lowercase print. You've officially taken your very first step into the world of software development. In our next video, we are going to teach Python how to store and remember information using variables. If you want to master Python step by step from scratch without the confusion, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Leave a comment below saying, I wrote my first line, and I'll see you in lesson 2.